Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Today, I want to talk about something that many of us dog owners have probably dealt with, especially during the summertime: the deer hotspots. These are those painful, inflamed patches of skin that can appear seemingly out of nowhere on our beloved pest. Now, let me just say up front, I'm not a veterinarian, but I've been dealing with hotspots for over 50 years. Living in a tropical climate like Puerto Rico, I have had my fair share of experience managing them. And today, I'm here to share what I have learned throughout all of this 50 years dealing with hotspots. So, exactly, what are hotspots? Well, hotspots are essentially irritated areas of your dog's skin that can rapidly become inflamed, painful, and sometimes infected. They're more common in warm, humid environments and can appear more frequently during the summer months when the weather is just, or I should say, wrong for these things to develop. I mean, the key to maintaining hotspots is to catching them early before they have a chance to spread and cause your dog any more discomfort. Over the years, I have learned to keep a close eye on my dogs, especially during these hot summer months. The sooner you find a hot spot, the easier it is to treat. Now, let's talk about some of the treatments that I have used over the years. Again, this is based on my experience, and it's always best to consult with your veterinarian. But these methods have worked well for me. It's part of what I have always done, and it's shown to work. First off, I've used Listerine or peroxide water to clean the area initially. This helped to disinfect the area and prepare it for further treatment. Listerine in particular, it's great because it's got a lot of antiseptic properties, but you need to be careful and use it sparingly. More recently, I have discovered the chloramphenicol, which has been incredible. I've even used it to clean ears, but for hotspots, it's been very, very effective in reducing the infection and promote the healing, which is very difficult because they scratch on it. After cleaning the area, it is important to trim the hair around the hotspot. This helps really to clean the area clean and dry, which is very crucial for healing. And now let's go to my go-to treatment, the Gold Bond medicated powder. I don't know what it is about Gold Bond, but it has been wonderful for treating hotspots. I used it for years, and I have never ever had a dog react badly to it. It seems to really keep it dry and speeds up the healing process. I've always also used something called Genesian Violet. It's an old remedy in the past. It did work. But on the downside was that when the dogs licked it, they ended up with a purple mouth. So while it's effective, it's a little bit messy, let's say. Now I can say also that vets have a very good product. It's called the Neopreserve, which is something the veterinarians prescribe. It's a great alternative if you're looking for something a little bit stronger. But again, consult your veterinarian. And lastly, I have found an incredible treatment as well. I want to mention silver honey sprays that are definitely a great remedy. I've used it in my horses and dogs and definitely has a superb healing power. These have recently come out and they can be fantastic for treating hotspots as well. They help to create a protective barrier over the wound, which can aid in healing. So, there you have it. My tried and true methods for dealing with hotspots in dogs. Remember, These are just based on my experience, and every dog is different. So what works for one might not work for the other. Also, there are other treatments, ideas from different and experienced breeders, which I do not discard. If the hotspot does not get any better, remember, always consult your vet if you're unsure about anything. So, I hope you have found this information helpful. If you did, please just give a video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and advice from my many years of working with dogs. Thanks for watching and take care of your furry four-paws friends. Remember, I am not a veterinarian. I'm talking from my experience. Cecilia.